talk about Alvin Vosotros, but without him, this man right here has stepped up in the past 2 days.
So we keep on talking about their culture, rubbing off on all of these players ng TNT scoring 12 points in that game against SMB, not only doing it on defense, but on offense as well. Number 8 being Siminiano.
While over on the other side from the Meralco Bolts, the man who is from, of course, Victoria's City, known as the Sweet City, the Sweet Shooting, Jeff Manday, had a perfect game in the semifinals against Macfar.
Did not miss, my friend. 3 of 3 two-point field goals, 7 of 7 overall, 14 points and 2 rebounds. Joseph Sedorifa said, "You go, Jeff Manday. Ikaw muna ang mag-alaga ng ating opensa."
Now, Jeff Manday also was 4 of 4 from the free throw line. So, I mean, the man does not miss.
What can we say?
So, it's the finals between the TNT Triple Giga and the Meralco Bolts 3x3. Let's turn it over to Benji for the player introductions.
And now, this is it. This is that game. Chance to win 100,000 pesos. The two teams all set and ready. Let's introduce both of them. Starting off with TNT Triple Giga. From Las Piñas, number 0, Justin Saldua. From Alongable, number 8, hey, that's Siminiano. From Malabon, number 25, Matt Silent. From Davao, number 29, Ryan Mendoza. Coach of TNT Triple Giga, Coach Mau Belen. And their opponent, Meralco Bolts 3x3. From Cebu City, number 7, Alfred Badino. Also from Cebu City, number 17, Joseph Sedorifa. From Victoria City, Negros Occidental, number 30, Chef Manday. From Caloocan, number 31, JJ Malani. Coach of the Meralco Bolts 3x3, Coach Patrick Brown. Our referees, Charlie Amparo and Kenny Bobby.
Gina and Coach Jolly, here are 3 factors why TNT struggled this conference according to Ryan Mendoza. Una, aminado daw siya, holidays pa lang daw nagpa-practice na yung ibang team at sila nakabakasyon pa. Pangalawa, naiwan yung feeling na ine-enjoy pa yung panalo. At pangatlo, nawala yung identity nila. Nakalimutan daw nila bakit nila ginugustong manalo. And this time, they know better. Regardless daw maganda man o hindi ang nangyari in the past leg. Sabi nga ni Ryan, kalimutan na yon and focus on the task in front of you. At ngayon, mukhang ready na nga sila to bounce back big time.
TNT Triple Giga versus Meralco Bolts in 5, 4, 3, and 3. PB
Stream the BBL, UAP, NBA, and the PBA Season 48 anytime, anywhere, and on any device via Pilipinas Live. Download and register now. Available worldwide. Here we go. Jolly Escobar, the finals. TNT kontra Meralco.
Call this a dogfight, my friend. Pero maganda yung report ni Nadze kasi di ba when you're at the top of the mountain, ang lakas ng hangin dyan. People want to, di ba, lahat want to bring you down, ang daming outside forces, daming distractions. Talking about TNT and what Ryan Mendoza was saying, very easy na mawala yung focus mo. That's where the coaches come in, bring you back to the ground, papaalala sa'yo what is at stake. So eto na naman sila at the finals where they're used to be itong finals.
Well, Jeff Manday continuing his hot ways. And even drawing the offensive foul on Ping Eximiniano.
I'm sure the guys over at Meralco, Alfred, Joseph Sedorifa, telling Jeff Manday, Jeff, ngayon mo ilabas yun. Yung ginawa mo nung semis natin.
At that time around, Manday is turning for an offensive foul. Meralco Bolts with 1 foul, TNT naman with 2.
Siminiano in basketball.
They go to Chester Saldua. Saldua over to Mendoza. Mendoza back to Saldua. Two-man action. Saldua turns. No good. Manday with the rebound.
Sayang. Ganda ng back to the basket move. Chester Saldua just unable to finish that.
Sadaripa step back. Two ball on the way is way off.
Can't seem to get going yung semis pa yan, pero well, they still won it because of the heroics of Jeff Manday and Joseph Saduripa. Although, siya pa rin yung winning 1-point yung free throw.
That's right.
Nung kanilang pagkapanalo nung semifinal.
There's Examaniano. Ping all the way to the cut. He misses the layup. Ends up in the hands of Manday. Panlangit. They go to Batino down low. Batino using that strength against Ping Examaniano.
He just goes hard every time, di ba? Just sa may low post area. So, very, very effective. It's Alfred Batino gets a nice rebound pump.
Manday.
Pero naman,
Batino calls for it. Batino spins. Goes to the hook shot. That's good.
madiin, Gino. Madiin every time ang kanyang atake. Leaning on defenders. Ganda ng cut, ganda ng finish, Chester Saldua.
Miscommunication there between the bolts. Here's Manday. Lets it fly. Not that time. His first miss in the semifinals and finals.
Sayang yun. He had a rolling, diving Alfred Batino. Pwedeng i-drop pass. Ito na naman yung magandang basket ni Chester Saldua. Wow. Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
5-2 thanks to that two ball from Jeff Manday. Ping lets it fly. No good. Rebound battle in the hands of Ping Examaniano. Here's Saldua. Stolen by Manday and a foul committed by Chester.
Ito na naman yung, yung somewhat slow starting TNT. And then some switch na they turn on at around the 6-5 minute mark. Can be dangerous at times.
Batino, 5 seconds to shoot. Alfred.
Galing.
That's a nice
Oh!
but he misses.
Too much hot sauce.
Chester puts it on the floor, all the way to the basket. Here's Manday. Against Mendoza. Manday.
Wow.
Dancing all the way to the other side, and the layup's good.
That was filthy, my friend. Attack left, between the legs. Nawala yung defender. And then the finish. My goodness, Jeff Manday.
That's a pretty move right there from Jeff Manday. He scored so far in this game for Manday 4 points. Mendoza is at the free throw line.
Plus a bunch of fans behind us. I love the reaction as soon as in between the legs. Nawala si Brian sa eksena.
Mendoza,
Jeff move.
1 of 2 from the free throw line. Here's Manday once again. Manday to the reverse. Not that time. Stopped there by Salem. Brian, tough shot. It's a miss. Saldua picks it up. Saldua against a smaller Saduripa. The hoop and the arm for Chester.
Terrific play magmula dito kay Chester Saldua. Offensive rebound. Pinning down itong si Saduripa to get the defensive rebound and puts it right back up and in. Chester Saldua.
So Saldua will have a bonus to try and make this a 1-point game. You were talking about a slow start by TNT once again here. And here they are. It's a one-possession game. Saduripa tried to get it over to Batino, picked up by Ping. Mendoza. Step back, two ball is a foul going to be called on Manlangit.
JJ Manlangit does not like it. Ang ganda ng galing ng step back ni Brian. Talagang nag-create talaga ng separation talaga. for him to be able to launch yung kanyang long bomb.
That's a James Harden step back.
Oo nga eh.
It's not just one step back.
It's several,
Yeah, it's like a step and a half.
Galing how these new breed of players, parang they're pushing it to the limits eh. Kasi konting-konti na lang yun, traveling na yun eh.
Konting-konti na lang.
Nandun lang sila sa boundary, di ba? Para lang hindi itawag na traveling, sakto lang, nandun lang sila. Wow, ito na siya. Alam mo, ako, expect him and Alfred Batino to really turn it on starting now. Joseph Teduriba and Batino.
Well, they're going to need them both here in the championship game
Definitely.
against TNT.
Complimenting Batino and Teduriba nicely, and Jeff Manday. JJ Manlang is going hard to the basket. This is the Joseph Teduriba. Deuce.
Manlang at the free throw line here para sa Meralco Bolts. Can make this a two-possession game.
Veterano na rin ito, JJ Manlang. He's been covering him for the longest time. Sa D-League pa, pre-pandemic. Malakas talaga lumaro din.
So the referees talking to each other to make sure that they're going to get this call right. And it's going to be TNT ball. 5:56 left to go here in the championship round. Ping. They go to Chester against Batino. Saldua. Still with it. Saldua. Oh, nice defense there by Batino. Manday open for the two-ball.
Wow! The defense, Alfred Batino, and then the offense of Jeff Manday. Well, Chester Sadu was trying to back down Batino. Nothing happened there. Ito ang ensuing play na nangyari. A big two-pointer magmula sa scorer, Jeff Manday.
Manday dancing with Chester. 6 seconds. Manday lets it fly.
Same spot, same result. Jeff Manday.
And then he gets the rebound. And Sedurifa picks it up. Here's Sedurifa. Manday, he's been hot. They go to Batino. Alfred, looking for a teammate, sends it over to Sedurifa, who puts it in.
See that pass, my friend? Wow. Nice little pocket pass.
Saldua scores down low there for TNT. Manday, he's got a big on him. It's Salem. Manday dancing with Salem, almost loses his footing. Puts up a tough shot and he barely misses that one. Mendoza gets away from the defenders all the way to the cup for the layup.
Back-to-back hits coming from first from Chester Saldua, then the slice. The lay-in coming from Brian Mendoza.
Sedurifa, two-ball, no good. Batino saves it over to Sedurifa. Here's Manday. 5 to shoot for Meralco. Manday
Wow.
turn on the Jets, gets all the way to the cup for the layup.
Really move. Magwala kay Jeff Manday. A little bit of a heady, no? Parang hesitation move and then isang malaking hakbang to create the separation. Do it right here. Boom. Explodes to the basket against Matt Salem. And the finish coming from Jeff Manday.
Jeff Manday continuing his fantastic play since the semifinals.
Superb basketball. 9 points, Jeff Manday in this ball game. We have 4 minutes and 17 remaining. Gino.
TV timeout, 4:17 left. 14-8 is the count in favor of the Meralco Bolts. Both teams here, Johnny, with 5 team fouls each.
Yes, yes. Well, the advantage will go to Meralco because simply because they have a nice 6-point lead here. Jeff Manday, wow. Just bringing the A game today. You know, it's usually, but it's usually Sedurifa and Batino really providing for the heavy point, the heavy lifting, di ba? Pero ngayon, sabi ni Jeff Manday, don't worry, Kuyas, I'm ready to play today. Here's a very important basket for TNT. They're down by 5.
Malami gets away for the layup. What a great pass there by Sedurifa.
Alam mo, itong pa isa-isang puntos lang ni JJ Manlangit. Mahalaga yan. Kasi, di ba, everybody's covering the scoring na within those, in between those three. So ito, it's a big boost, big help coming from JJ Manlangit to be able to score.
15-9. TNT goes to Saldua. Hand off to Mendoza. 2 ball on the way. It's going to be short. Rebound battle in the hands of Sidorifa. Joseph sends it over to Manday. They go down to Manlangit. Manlangit. Turnaround jumper is in and out. Mendoza, 2 ball from the corner. Too strong. Rebound Pink.
Great pass, terrific.
Mendoza, 2 ball is short.
I think Chester Saldua was thinking na parang hindi na clear ng malinis niya, no? Thinking Eximiliano kaya nilabas niya pa. Yun.
5-point game in favor of Meralco.
Still 3 possessions, no? Pagka ganyan, 5 points.
Manday. Defense of Ping Exmiliano is always superb. Here's Saldua all the way to the basket.
Very nice decision to not settle for a jump shot, not attack basket, making it a 2 possession difference.
Manday's 2 balls a miss. Eximiliano from the corner, no good. Mendoza gets the rebound.
Alam mo, naisip ko, Gino, if TNT would still be able to carve one out, that's going to be so impressive. Diba? That's 2.5 remaining. You're down by that much. Malamang sa panalo na talagang Meralco dyan eh. Let's see. Matetest na naman. Every time, matetest naman ang character mo sa basketball game. Here it is again, para sa TNT.
Well, it's 2:22 left to go. It's a 2-possession game in favor of the Bolts. A lot of time left, and anything can still happen here, Jolly.
Exactly, yeah. Exactly, team foul situation. Anim na para sa Meralco Bolts. There is the penalty. 5 para po dito sa TNT. Ang Meralco naman, yung downside nila is di makapag-depensa ng maayos dahil 2 free throws at di ay ditira ng TNT pang bumawal pang Meralco. They have to be careful.
16 fouls already on the Bolts, 5 on TNT. Here's Salem. Salem, is that a shot clock violation? That is a shot clock violation called on the TNT triple Giga. So that was good, clean defense there that time for Meralco.
Kailangan. They're reading their foul situation. Penalty na sila. Look,
Patino.
Alfred Patino, my goodness.
Oh, and a steal by Sidorifa. Here's Manday. Manday dancing with Mendoza. They go to Patino against Salem. Patino. And a foul going to be committed there by Salem.
Literally carves out space. No? Alfred Patino. Look at that. Give me that spot. Tatapit ka talaga eh. At hindi naman niya ina-extend. Di ba? It's protecting the ball. He's going with yung body movement niya naman. Oras na extend mo yun, offensive foul. Pero it's not. It's just using his brute strength, Alfred Patino.
Here's Manday using the Patino screen. Get the switch. Manday still with it. 5 seconds to shoot. Manday still with it. Manday all the way to the cover. Gets the lineup.
Wow. That was huge because it makes it 3-possession ball game. Been about to 2 possession. Big one as well. Chester Saldua.
Here's Patino. Hand off to Manday. Launches a... Oh my goodness! That's from the parking lot.
Ang hirap doon. Coming from a step back. Wow. Last 2 points for Meralco, Gino. Look at
Patino.
Patino. Just
Fouled there by Mendoza.
Just punishing defenders underneath. Alfred Patino. Look, sabi mo nga, tinan mo naman kung gaano kalayo ito. Atras. My goodness, 25 feet.
That's 12 points already for Jeff Manday. He's 4 of 6 from downtown in this game.
Wow, semifinals, best player, Jeff Manday. Let's see kung siya na naman. Dito sa final.
Mendoza, 2 balls, no good. Rebound battle in the hands of Sidorifa. That's for the game. That's a little too strong there for Joseph. Eximiniano. They need this one.
Wow.
And they get that one.
Wow, it's only a 3-point difference now. Anything is possible when you play TNT.
Sidorifa against Mendoza. Sidorifa lets it fly, no good. Rebound battle in the hands of Sandua. Under 30 to go. Ping lets it go.
Oh!
Eximiniano breaks it within 1.
They should not panic. Joseph Sidorifa and the gang.
Sidorifa, 3 seconds to shoot. Sidorifa, fadeaway jumper, no good. The rebound in the hands of Sidorifa. Matino puts it up, no good. Rebound, Saldua.
Oh, wow. No basket.
Wow. The referees are going to have to review this to see if it's counted. If it's counted, TNT wins.
You think that? I think the buzzer sounded, Gino. I think no basket. That's unofficial. That's just me. Let's check.
Here it is.
What a game, my goodness.
I mean, we couldn't have asked for a better one. And the basket is no good. And the MERALCO Bolts win this leg.
Wow. It still feels strange that TNT has not gotten one dito sa conference. So, MERALCO, on the other hand, is dalawa na. Taking leg number 1, Mac over leg number 2, and Jeff Manday and the gang. MERALCO taking leg number 3, Gino.
What a game.
What a game.
Well, we couldn't have asked for a better finals right there. Between the older brother, the TNT Triple GIGA, against the younger sibling, the MERALCO Bolts. But Jeff Manday came to play today, Jolly. He had a perfect semifinal game, and he was the main man once again here in the finals.
Excellent offensive game. Magmula kay Jeff Manday at 12 points, even at 5 rebounds. Gino, ganda pa rin, no? 8 of 12 ang kanyang mga field goals, but Gino, looking at the perfect game in semifinals, hindi po siya nag-miss. 2-pointers, regular field goals, free throws. Dito, ang taas pa rin ang kanyang field goal percentage, Gino.
Victoria City, hope you guys are still standing up because your main man, Jeff Manday, is a champion once again here in the PBA 3x3. The awarding is coming up next. We'll be right back.